Alright, I'm pretty sure we're recording. Don't do it yet! Ow, my eye! You're not hiding people. Okay, one. Honk if you love Jesus! Okay, go. So right now, I'm supposed to explain to you what we're doing. Jesus. Get it? Okay, so right now, I'm supposed to explain to you what we're doing. And we're explaining... I'm coming! Jesus! I'm supposed to explain honk if you love Jesus. Now, I am a Jew. I study Judaism. I go to Bible church every day, and I love Jesus. Michaela doesn't. So, we're gonna honk if you love Jesus. So, I'm standing at the street corner. Honk if you love Jesus! Honk if you love Jesus!
Honk! Honk!
She loves Jesus!
Honk!
No, is it my turn?
Oh, shit! Alright, now it's my turn to hold the sign. Shit! Honk if you love Jesus!
Honk! I love Jesus.
I love Jesus.
Do you?